Okay, so the only thing I've done so far is open the box. However, the one thing I will say is, got some weird scribbly bits on it. 37, maybe that's my address? I don't know, 37 mumbles. And it's a Uline box, which means he paid about $1.50 for this box. And it's an 8x8x4 box. Well, you can get the same exact 8x8x4 box from USPS, who he uses for his shipping. Probably does even, is it on stamps.com? No, he goes to the store to ship this. Yeah. Damn. Yeah, he doesn't. So he goes to the actual USPS facility to ship and ships it from them. He doesn't even do stamps.com. But anyway, and stamps.com, they give you this shit for free from the government. So blah blah. That's the diffuser for the well tool. I shall be interested to see. Nice gusseted bag, like cool, but fucking stands up. Gusseted pouch. That'll be. I'll have beam shots for that later. Foreign missing material. I'll throw all that out. You go over there. Now the meat. I bought my dad a charger for his EDC-21, and this charger actually looks like it might be nicer than the one that I have. I don't know. Anyway, bought that for Dad, so he'll use that. I won't. This is EDC-18. Okay. And this is FW21 Pro in copper. So, we're only at 2 minutes. Of course, it's 2 minutes, and I haven't even shown you a single flashlight. So, there's a flashlight. Oh, I forgot. That's not how you open these. You. Okay, I know that people have, like, I own a tripod. I think it's in that room over there. I'm not sure. I know I own a tripod. However, I'm not equipped, so please hold. If I can hit, I can do that. There we go. That works. Enough to at least get me 2 hands. This box just isn't opening. Yeah. Almost.